Okay, my name is Henry Garcia. I work for On The Go Auto Service. Customer came in complaining about foggy windshield, and we did taste it, pressure check the coolant system, and we determined that a heater core was the issue. Excuse me. I'm just about working on the heater core, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I start working on it and what is gonna be looking like and the process to do the heater core. This is a 2001 Ford F150 with a 5.4 engine size, as you can see. These are the hoses for the heater core under the hood. I'm gonna show you guys the inside, obviously, what it looks like before I start working on it. This is the driver's side. Over there we got the passenger side. The whole dashboard needs to come out, and I'll be showing you guys once again what it looks like when I get them apart. Okay, I'm still working on that Ford that I was telling you guys about. This is what I got so far. The heater core is gonna be behind the dashboard. So to take this guy off, what I do is I just stick a little screwdriver here. I go around, as you can see, just to pull this guy off. Okay, this is what I got here. Disconnect the wiring. Wiring over here, wiring over here. Okay. Okay, this is what the Ford looks like when you're gonna replace the heater core. Heater core is inside of that box over there where I'm shining my light. I'm gonna try to, well, there is the dash hanging. There's the interior of the vehicle. Pretty cool, huh? Once again, it's a lot of work. A lot. Okay, so let's see. I think I gotta pull this bolt over here, this cover. So I'll be showing you guys what it looked like inside. Okay, so I'm gonna proceed to take this casing apart. Okay. Okay, this right here is the old heater core. next to the receiver dryer, or I mean condenser. As we can see, it's pretty wet in there. I don't know if we can seal the wetness. We can see it right now. Okay. Okay. I guess we can see the water better now. This still is the old pump, the old core. See all that wet in there? That's all the water.